On this video, I will show you how to never miss any classwork in Google Classroom. Hello dear students, this is Teacher Elena. Welcome to my e-class in Bytes, a channel dedicated to educate, to explore, and to empower through tips and how-tos for the new normal. If you're a subscriber, thanks again for watching this new episode. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Please click subscribe and the notification bell to be updated of my new videos every week. If you haven't watched my video on how to access and join the Google Classroom, I will put the link on the description below. Make sure to watch it because it will definitely help you with this app. On this episode, I will show you how to succeed as a new normal student by not missing any classwork in Google Classroom. Let's get started. Make sure you are signed in your Gmail account. Go to classroom.google.com or open the app when using a smartphone. Click the class you are going to check for activities where you will see the name of your teacher. There are various ways to check your class activities in Google Classroom. It can be in the stream like this one if your teacher had set it up to show us notifications in the stream. You can see when the activity was posted. The other way is through the Classwork tab. You can see when the assignment or classwork is due. You can click each classwork to see the full details or instructions of your teacher. You can type in a comment to inform your teacher of your submission. Depending on your teacher's instruction, you can add or create an attachment to your assignment and click Mark as done when you have finished it. Another way is on the menu, then the To-Do button. You can see three tabs: Assigned, Missing, and Done. On the Assigned are all the classworks assigned, indicating the weeks when they are due. On the Missing tab, if there are classworks you haven't done and missed submitting. Done tab are all your finished classworks. There you have it. As you can see, organizing your classworks is very easy with this app. There are more videos here on my channel that can help you with your journey as a new normal student. Just don't forget to like, share, comment on my videos, and click subscribe. Thanks again, and always remember to make every choice better. See you again next week.